Hey guys, welcome back. Mr. Will here. Video lesson for Tuesday, April 28th, 2020 for the group Denominators. Welcome back. Yesterday we had an introductory lesson about inequalities. We talked about the addition property of inequalities, subtraction property of inequalities, and we even graphed some inequalities. Today, we're going to be solving some inequalities using both addition and subtraction. Now, it says solve, graph your solution. So the first thing we need to do is we need to solve this. Now, we're going to use our knowledge of how we move different values from one side of a open sentence to the other. So I have x minus 5 is greater than negative 3.5. Now, what I want to do is I want to, again, get my variable on one side and my constant terms on the other. Now, how would I do this, you ask? Well, you are going to add 5. Because if you add 5 to this side, that would cancel it out because I am taking away 5. I'm going to add 5. And I'm going to add 5 to this side. Okay, right? Just like solving an equation. Now, I know that we have the greater than sign here, but just like an equation, whatever you do to the one side, you do to the other. And what you're left with is x is greater than, okay, sign does not change, 1.5, right? Okay, because 5, finding the difference of 5 and 3.5. So our answer would be x is greater than 1.5. Now, the second thing that you have to do is it says graph your solution. Now, again, because this does not include an equal sign, greater than or equal to 1.5, our dot is going to be open to show that it does not include this 1.5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a quick number line. Ooh, that was not the greatest, but that's okay. I'm going to put my 0 here. Ooh, 0. Okay, that's fine. I'll put it there. And then I have positive 1, positive 2. Okay, my spacing might be a little off. That's okay for what we're doing here. 1 and 2. So there is my number line. I'm going to change numbers real fast because I think it's snazzy. But okay, so where would my 0.5 go? Well, in between 1 and 2, you say? Well, you would be right. Okay, so we'll go right here. Now, because, again, does not have equal, it's going to be an open point. Okay, and then because it says that x is greater than 1.5, my arrow is going to go to the right to include everything greater than 1.5. So this sign is a clue to what direction your arrow is going to be. So let's recap. Number 1, we have solved the inequality by doing the inverse operation and moving our values to the other side. We were left with x is greater than 1.5. We then were able to graph that inequality, x is greater than 1.5, with an open circle because it is not included. It's not x is equal to 1.5. And we had our line moving to the right to include everything that is greater than 1.5. Now it's your turn. Today, I'm going to have you solve problems just like this, where you're going to be using addition and subtraction and then graphing your inequalities. If you have any questions, please reach out to me during office hours from 9 to 10 a.m. every day, or you can email me throughout the day and expect a prompt response. Work hard, ask questions, and I'll see you back on Thursday. Thanks, guys.